Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our Excel shortcut series. In the previous video, we introduced Excel shortcuts, looking at why they're important and what the main types of shortcuts are. Today, we'll be looking at navigation shortcuts to help you navigate Excel more efficiently. To start, I encourage you to open the Excel file we'll be using, which is linked in the description below. Once you've done that, do your best to follow along with me so you get accustomed to using the shortcuts. If anything is unclear, then please comment down below. Throughout the video, I'll be referring to Windows shortcuts as I have a Windows device. I will, however, display the equivalent Mac shortcuts as well. When you open the file, you'll see this dataset here, which contains the fictitious details of a bunch of staff members at an imaginary company. It consists of 8 columns and almost 1,000 rows. Firstly, we'll start by simply navigating across the spreadsheet using shortcuts. So we'll start by selecting cell B2 and simply press the arrows to get used to moving around the sheet. I know this is simple, but I can assure you that many people are still accustomed to using the mouse instead of the arrows. Next, we'll select cell I2. This time, while holding down the Control key, use the left arrow. This brings you to the edge of the table. While holding down the Control key again, click the right arrow, which brings you to the other side. Now click the down arrow, and finally click the up arrow again. I hope it's becoming apparent how much more efficient using shortcuts is than using the scroll bar to go to the bottom of the table like this. Sometimes you may not want to navigate to the bottom of a dataset, but instead just want to scroll down quickly without using the mouse. To do this, click Page Down. This tells Excel to move one screen below you. You can keep doing this until you reach the bottom of the dataset. To return back to the top, you can use Page Up, which does the exact opposite. Now, if you want to move one screen right, click Alt and Page Down, and to move one screen left, click Alt and Page Up. So those are some of the most useful shortcuts to navigate an Excel spreadsheet. In the next video, I'll cover selection shortcuts, which involve selecting cells, columns, rows, etc. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.